Law enforcement is putting street racers on notice today. Starting September 1st, a new state law gives police the power to seize the vehicles of people racing on local streets and highways. Eyewitness News reporter Marvin Hurst spoke with the San Antonio Police Department about this new law. Marvin, what they have to say today?
Hey Aaron, yeah, they are loving these new laws as crime fighting tools. You know, street racing is one of those things that is a lot of fun for those who like taking up this high-speed exhibition. But you come over to the streets and the parking lots of businesses like this, not so much, because their parking lot is all scarred up. And you may even remember that there have been deaths as a result of street racing, not in this spot, but certainly in San Antonio. And these new laws hope to finally slow street racers down. Casala Choka is putting the finishing touches on his new dream.
We said, why don't we just go ahead and open up a traditional barbershop, start at $15.
The process to opening Exquisite Fades Barbershop next month has been noisy.
Some evenings I'm here and there's people outside doing donuts.
Located near 410 in Marbach, the parking lot bears the marks of street racing. Lots of racing. Choka is an eyewitness.
I had to run out there because I saw a truck out there doing donuts. I was like, I hope he don't, bounce into my car.
Street racers are a statewide nuisance that ripped and roared their way to the state capitol.
This definitely comes down to a safety issue for the community at large.
San Antonio Police Sergeant James Smith helps SAPD seize cars from all kinds of crimes.
A lot of our cars our vehicles that are seized are in drug cases where they're using their car as a criminal instrument to deal the drugs out of.
He's got a new one after following legislative efforts to bring racers to a screeching halt.
When it comes to asset forfeitures, we have to have that underlying crime. It has to be concurrent with that criminal. It has to have that nexus.
House Bill 2315, now signed into law, gives law enforcement the power to seize the vehicles of street racers. The authorities can do so if the offender has been convicted of a previous racing offense, if they find a racing suspect is drunk or on drugs, or if the racing causes injury or death. The new law goes into effect on September 1st.
They have scanners, they listen, they know where the police are at, they have lookouts.
2315 covers highways and local streets, but what about private property where the racing is driving business owners nuts? Senate Bill 1495, also new and takes effect on September 1st, mirrors the enhanced penalties of its sister bill, but it doesn't give police the power to seize. Casala Choka just wants to make sure his customers' experience is a safe one.
They're going to have to change their behavior because it's not going to be an empty parking lot anymore.
So seizing these vehicles is not automatic. A judge has to sign off on them in a civil proceeding. If there is a conviction, SAPD can either hold on to these vehicles or auction them off. So I know you're asking, why sell these cars back to the general public? Well, police say the street racing cars are not the problem. It's the people behind the wheel and how they use those vehicles. Reporting live, Marvin Hurst, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.
All right, Marvin, thank you.